When nerves are damaged, whether due to diabetes, injury, aging, or inflammation, it can feel like your body is betraying you. Tingling, numbness, sharp pains, or even weakness can disrupt daily life. But your body has a built-in repair system, and the right nutrients can help kick it into gear. Let's count down 13 powerful vitamins that help heal nerves, support regeneration, and bring comfort back to your body. Let's start the countdown. At number 13, vitamin C. This isn't just your go-to vitamin for colds. Vitamin C plays a big role in nerve repair too. It helps your body produce collagen, the protein that acts like scaffolding for your nerves and blood vessels. Without enough of it, your healing slows down. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant. That means it helps protect damaged nerves from further stress and inflammation, which is key during recovery. If you're dealing with nerve pain or tingling, adding more vitamin C could give your body the boost it needs. Reach for citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, or enjoy bell peppers, kiwi, and broccoli. One simple healing idea: try a fresh citrus and spinach salad. It's bright, tasty, and packed with nerve-supporting goodness. Coming in at number 12 is magnesium, an unsung hero when it comes to nerve health. This mineral plays a crucial role in how your nerves send signals and how your muscles contract and relax. When you're low on magnesium, it can show up as muscle cramps, twitching, or even that annoying tingling feeling in your hands and feet. A 2018 review published in Nutrients highlighted how magnesium supplementation may ease nerve pain, especially in people dealing with chronic conditions like fibromyalgia or recurring migraines. That's because magnesium helps calm overactive nerve signals and reduces inflammation around damaged nerves. Taking the spot at number 11 are omega-3 fatty acids, your nervous system's natural repair crew. These healthy fats have powerful anti-inflammatory effects and are key players in rebuilding the protective coating around your nerves, known as the myelin sheath. A 2017 study in the Journal of Neuroscience Research found that omega-3s not only helped regenerate damaged nerves in animal models, but also significantly reduced neuropathic pain. That's a big deal, especially if you're dealing with tingling, numbness, or burning sensations. To load up on these healthy fats, eat more fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. Plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts are also great options. Try adding chia to your morning smoothie or topping a salad with crushed walnuts. And if fish isn't your thing, a high-quality omega-3 supplement can help fill the gap. Just make sure it contains both EPA and DHA, the two most beneficial forms for nerve health. At number 10, we've got vitamin A. Most people know it for its role in eye health, but it turns out this vitamin does more than just sharpen your vision. It also supports your nervous system. Vitamin A plays a key role in repairing the myelin sheath, that protective layer that wraps around your nerves like insulation on a wire. When that sheath is damaged, signals from your brain don't travel efficiently, leading to issues like numbness or weakness. Vitamin A also helps regulate the immune system, which is especially important if inflammation is part of the reason for your nerve damage. Animal studies have shown promising results. Vitamin A appears to promote nerve regeneration and recovery after injury. To get more of it naturally, reach for colorful foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkin, and leafy greens. These contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A safely. One note of caution: while it's tempting to load up on supplements, vitamin A is fat-soluble, meaning too much can build up in your body and become toxic. So stick with food sources when possible or use supplements only as directed. Coming in at number 9 is vitamin E, another key player in nerve protection. It's a powerful antioxidant that shields your nerves from oxidative stress, one of the culprits behind nerve damage. If your body can't absorb fat well, you might be at higher risk for a vitamin E deficiency, and one of the first signs is often nerve problems like tingling or weakness. To boost your intake, snack on sunflower seeds, almonds or hazelnuts, or add avocado to your meals. Even a tablespoon of sunflower seeds on your salad can give your nerves a nourishing boost. At number 8 is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. It helps your nerves turn food into energy and ensures messages travel smoothly along your nerve pathways. A special form called benfotiamine is easier for the body to absorb and especially helpful for people with diabetic nerve damage. Studies show it can ease symptoms like tingling, numbness, and burning caused by peripheral neuropathy. To get more B1 naturally, go for pork, lentils, whole grains, or fortified cereals. A simple brown rice and lentil bowl with herbs and olive oil is a tasty way to get started. Moving on to number 7, vitamin B6, a key player in helping your nerves send signals and in producing neurotransmitters, the chemicals your brain uses to communicate. If your B6 levels are too low, it can lead to irritability, low mood, or even nerve pain. But be careful, too much over time, especially from high-dose supplements, can actually cause nerve issues. The safe zone? Around 1.3 to 2 milligrams daily from food or a balanced multivitamin. Good sources include chickpeas, bananas, poultry, and potatoes. A cozy chicken and potato stew makes a delicious and B6-packed meal. We're halfway through our countdown. If you've learned something helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe. It really helps us keep bringing you natural health tips that make a difference. Sliding into number 6 is vitamin B12, one of the most vital nutrients for healthy nerves. It plays a major role in maintaining that protective layer we mentioned earlier. Yep, the myelin sheath. Without enough B12, your nerves start to misfire, causing numbness, weakness, or that pins and needles sensation. Low levels of B12 are especially common in older adults and vegetarians, and if left unchecked, they can lead to long-term nerve damage. A 2018 neurology study even linked B12 deficiency to both nerve problems and memory loss. You'll find B12 in meat, dairy, and eggs, but if your diet doesn't include these, a supplement or B12 shot can make a big difference. Next on our list is a powerful one, alpha lipoic acid, or ALA. It's not a vitamin, but it acts like a superhero antioxidant inside your cells. Think of ALA as your nerve's internal firefighter, calming the flames of inflammation and helping restore balance. It's especially helpful if you're dealing with diabetic nerve pain or tingling in the hands and feet. A well-known study from Germany found that patients who took 600 milligrams of ALA daily for 5 weeks had noticeable relief from burning, pain, and numbness caused by peripheral neuropathy. At number 4, we have vitamin D. You probably know vitamin D helps build strong bones, but it also plays a major role in nerve health. And when levels are low, that's when problems start. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium in your body, which is crucial for proper nerve signaling. Without enough of it, nerve signals can misfire, leading to more pain, tingling, or slow healing. Some studies even link low vitamin D to conditions like multiple sclerosis and diabetic neuropathy. In one study published in Pain Medicine, people suffering from chronic nerve pain experienced noticeable improvement after correcting their vitamin D deficiency. Next up is acetyl L-carnitine, a mouthful to say, but a powerhouse when it comes to nerve repair. While it's not technically a vitamin, ALC is a compound your body uses to produce energy at the cellular level. If your nerves are feeling weak, tired, or sluggish, ALC might just be the spark they need. It doesn't just energize, it also protects nerve cells from damage and encourages regeneration. A landmark study published in Diabetes Care 2002 found that people with diabetic neuropathy who took ALC reported less pain and improved nerve function, especially when taken consistently over several months. Number 2, zinc. Zinc might not be the first nutrient that comes to mind for nerve repair, but it plays a critical role in nerve regeneration, immune function, and reducing inflammation. It helps enzymes that repair nerve cells and supports the production of antioxidant proteins that protect your nervous system from further damage. A deficiency in zinc can slow down healing and worsen symptoms of nerve damage, especially in people with chronic conditions like diabetes. According to a 2020 study published in Biological Trace Element Research, zinc supplementation was associated with improved nerve conduction and reduced oxidative stress in people with diabetic neuropathy. You can boost zinc intake by eating pumpkin seeds, lentils, chickpeas, beef, and oysters. Even a hearty lentil stew or hummus with tahini can give you a solid zinc boost. Last but definitely not least, At the top of our list are BComplex Vitamins, a team of nutrients that work best when they work together. While vitamins like B1, thiamine, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, cobalamin, each play a specific role in nerve repair, taking them as a complete complex gives your body full spectrum support. Think of it like an orchestra. Each vitamin has its own instrument, but when they play in harmony, the healing effects are even stronger. B-complex vitamins help repair damaged nerves, reduce pain and inflammation, improve energy and mood, support the myelin sheath, yes, that protective nerve coating we've talked about. They also help convert the food you eat into usable energy, fuel that your body needs to heal and regenerate nerve tissue. If you're recovering from nerve damage or dealing with issues like neuropathy, fatigue, or brain fog, a high-quality B-complex supplement can be a game changer. Just make sure to choose one that includes methylated forms like methylcobalamin for B12 and P5P for B6 for better absorption. While these vitamins are essential, don't forget the basics. Healing nerves also requires regular movement and light exercise, good quality sleep, managing blood sugar if you're a diabetic, avoiding alcohol and smoking. These lifestyle shifts combined with the right nutrients can accelerate your recovery and improve quality of life. Nerve damage can be frustrating, but it's not always permanent. With the right vitamins, nourishing foods, and lifestyle choices, your body has the potential to heal. Now it's your turn. Which of these vitamins are you already taking? Have you noticed any changes in your nerve health or energy levels? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more natural health tips. And don't forget to check out our channel merch or click the super thanks button to support us and help keep this content going. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay supported, and we'll see you in the next one.